Casey. How's church? I thought more church more. Sad yourself.
It was so boring. It just like, I mean, the play was okay. I didn't like.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
That's good.
Shit.
Okay, so we still gonna go later?
Yeah.
Okay.
Casey!
Hey, what's
Hey, good job.
I'm good.
Oh my gosh. Good. How are you?
Good.
Okay. Well, this is Maya.
How are you?
Good. I'm good. How are you?
Oh, yeah, 比较好食啊 girl，
That's
什么
good.
酒？我们的小狗们我嘛，谁跟我的谁跟我？我的好了，没有其他可以。
没有呢，拜三。
Okay, that's fine. 我的到吗 ？So Maya, how you been doing?
I've been good. What did you be doing after high school?
Nothing, just 不是跟大家过来写什么？
就我去好乐上。
我乐死了。Oh, how's your mom and them? 都保人得啊。
They are okay. They're okay. But,
You're okay.
Yeah, just a lot of stuff going on.
哎，你有见到吗？开始吗
Girl, just a high song, high day, too much.
？Did too much 了，开始吗 ？What's wrong?
Well, my family's always full of drama. I think that Punya is having an affair with my dad.
干嘛？
Yeah, Punya.
我干嘛？你问的呢？
Yeah, Punya ho. Yeah, no more holo, ni shita lo cheli ho. No more aja, no more don't go, ni shita lo chena.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's just me and your sister here, and it's so hard because I'm like the parents and we see all the new we should kiss a belly now. So hard.
Oh really? Wow, I feel
Yeah.
really bad for you. Like, well, if you want to get your time, then cái nhớ đó, cứ chỉ kia thôi.
Có một hai cái lần cá lúc nào tôi cho cái nhà tay.
Done. Go. Okay. Well, I'll be right back.
Okay.
We were like seriously, we need to get together and talk about this. Hi.
Casey, I gotta talk to you. 진짜 몇 번은 다르고. Like, 핸드폰 많이 쓰모.
I grew up with her.
Oh my god, she was telling me that, she's doing drugs and like giving me like why are you guys even friends with her? Like she's so weird. Like you could have quit and you're learning like,你去没花其中的呀 and你很自呀 You guys should think about it before you guys even hang out with her. If I were you guys, I would like look out.
What the heck, man? Where's she
No,
talking
I
about?
didn't.
We go to school her.
I know, we go to school her. And
Right. I know her since a long time.
I don't know anymore, you guys. Nancy's saying all this stuff, so I don't know anymore.
Tôi nộn cho.
Maybe. Spawn.
Nộn lại thì có cocaine nó có trong đất đó thôi.
Really? I don't know. We should go ask her.
Nó cái nó cái nó bên hay tiền. Chứ cả cái nó này. Mọi tham ho.
I want to know the truth though.
Cái này lúc đó mọi tham ho chứ.
Don't you guys want to know?
She's my best friend. I don't think she can do anything like that.
No, but you're her best friend. You should ask her,
I don't know, maybe she was.
Hello? Nothing? Nothing with nhau, Yo cái sắp bó yo cái tóc bên nó của khách con. Okay.
Phải có cố lên nhau trong đu để cố nhau cho cô lối xa bất lon cho cô chẳng đu
Yeah, how about yourself? Just writing. So what's going on? What you gotta tell me?
Sorry I haven't been calling you lately. It's just that like my mom overheard what Nancy said about you.
What did you say?
I don't know, she said
Cause
that,
I don't even know her like that. I just met her the other day when you introduced me to her. That's it.
Well, I don't know. She said that, like, all these bunch of bullshit. She was like, yeah, you do drugs and, like, your family's fucked up and everything. That's what she told us. And then my mom overheard. She just told us not to talk to you again.
Well, Casey, you know me, you know okay, and you know that I don't do this kind of stuff. You know, me and you are best friends, so whatever I do, you'll go. More actually, you know that I want to go stop on the show. She asked me how's life. I'll just be honest and tell her life with. It's not like, you know, go sa or, you know, or lie or anything like that. You know me well enough. Yeah, I think we should call Nancy and talk to her.
That's why your face is so pale.
Really? Why would she say that?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think we really need to talk to her. Hey,
Yeah.
you know, so I think I should call her. I don't have a number. You should call her.
Yeah. Nancy.
Yeah. What's up?
Có bố chị à?
I'm cooking now. Can you like call me later?
Có cả tóc bên nó. What?
Wait, who's over there?
Maya.
Who's that?
Tụi nè nó yêu cũng introduce có tao mà.
Oh, what does she want?
Tóc bên nó bên tao cái thằng.
Whatever. I'll see if I have a schedule. Okay, I'll be there in like 15 minutes. Whatever. Bye.
Anh phong nhiều chớ.
I wonder what they want. I don't have time for this shit. Hey, come on. Hi. What you guys been up to?
So, anyways, I heard from somebody that you know, you was spreading rumors whatever, girl.
Whatever is whatever. I'm gonna try to look at Casey. But you know how time to get going. I'll talk to you guys later. And Casey, you really need to look out for her, okay? I don't want you to her. I don't have time for this. God, stupid bitch.
Okay.
Right.
Well, anyways, now you know what kind of person she is. She's a snitch. You know, person that you can't trust. You know, I was trying to be nice to her, get to know her. But troublemakers, huh? So I think that you and the other rest of the friends shouldn't do, you know. That's it. I just, you know, we was fine until she came along. Hi YouTube. Okay, we did a video đó sorry now. So now it's basically about friendship. See who's your real friends and who is the person who got you around. Yeah, you might call kind of issue like what we just have earlier. What you need to do is, you know, not to learn how to talk. You just keep you put you here. You somewhat any problem towards your real friends. So people like that should be friends with in the first place. Don't have else to say, but Nancy has
Okay, so I understand a lot of people's been asking us like how come we haven't like come up with a new video every week. Truth is, summer's finally here, so we're working on our big project, and which we will keep you guys updated so you guys can also see that as well. But we don't have a lot of timing, so we're gonna shoot a video for the Hmong community like every 2 or 3 weeks because we're working on this big project. Talk about that. We're still looking for our actress, and like we asked before, you have to be, you know, you have to be able to speak Hmong really well. You have to let us know by the end of May, because in June we're gonna start shooting, so we need you ASAP. So please let us know. We're looking for, make a profile, let us know, contact us on the channel, and we'll let you know more info if you really want to be our actress. So let us know.
And then we'll update more
Yeah,
about the project too.
We'll update more on the project. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for viewing with us this far. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, add us as friends, and let us know how we're doing. Thanks, guys.
Bye.